So, the last vlog was a little bit crazy and a bit Mission Impossible, but today we're going to be filming part 2, and that's the destruction of the Polite vest. Somebody mentioned in the comments to put Nicole Kidman in this episode, and unfortunately she was not available. So I found somebody else. I found Lynn from the Thai Festival, and she was more than happy to help, so we're just going to shoot off now and film part 2. Shh. Let's go! So, we've just arrived at my first filming destination, and this is literally 3 minutes away from my apartment, so this is where we're going to film the helicopter scene. Let's begin. So, I think we're going to make the helicopter fall down just to the left of that track, and what we're going to use to do that is this business card holder with some screws in it. Yeah.
Come over here, down there and crash over there. And there's the magic button.
So, we've got our plan in place and we're just about to film the helicopter scene. So while we're doing that, let's recap on what happened last time.
Previously on Mission Impolite. We must jump down the barrier, down the bottom, and that brings us into the basement. When we're in the basement, we're going to lift a rope into the top area and crawl into the General's office. Once we're in the General's office, mission complete.
Schwarzkopf for maximum hold no matter what situation.
Oh no! Oh, I've just gone straight in that horse poo. Wonderful. So, we're just about to film the last scene, and that's in this woodlands here. So today's actually Saturday, so I'm hoping to film it all today, edit it all today, and hopefully get it online by tomorrow or Monday at the latest. So if it turns out not so good, it's because of the time frame I've had to do it. And everything I have used in this video, including all the special effects, were all free and royalty free, so it shows you can make these sort of movie things on a budget. And finally, after I've finished filming this, I'm going to cut the scenes from the previous episode and I'll put the scenes from this episode together so we've got like a mini movie. It'll probably be about 5 minutes long. and I'll upload that as the third and final video. But for now, let's get to the main part of the story. Why the hell does anyone want to steal a Polite vest? You crazy? Well, that's all the filming at this location, and now we're off to another woodlands where we can film the burning of the Polite vest. But a big thanks to Lynn for helping out, and we'll see her next time. But for now, let's go to location number 2. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's little film, and now we're reaching our climax. So we're going to go old school. We've got petrol, fuse, and the Polite vest. Let's get this over with.